In this video, we will show you how to install the stabilizer bars onto your fruit cage. Here are the parts you'll need. Each cage is supplied with 4 stabilizer bars, one for each corner. The stabilizer bars are secured to the upper area of the corner post and run to the lower area of the adjacent post. Their position isn't critical, but you should aim to have one on each of the 4 sides. Where you have chosen to hinge your door may impact your decision on where to install the corner stabilizers. Each corner stabilizer is made from 2 pieces. One piece is 1.57 meters long, flat at one end and plain on the opposite end. The second piece is 91 centimeters long, flat at one end and swaged on the opposite end. Connect the tubes together by locating the swaged end into the plain end. Secure the 2 pieces together using a self-drilling screw, 4 centimeters from the joint, ensuring that both flattened ends are in line. Fit a Q-clip 20 centimeters up from the upright and foundation joint on the first intermediate post. If the Q-clip is stiff, use a hammer to tap the Q-clip onto the tube. The bottom of the Q-clip should be above the 20 centimeter mark. Use a pair of pipe grips to close the prongs together. Locate a flat end of the assembled corner stabilizer to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole, ensuring the threaded part is to the inside of the fruit cage. Screw on a nut and firmly tighten. Position a Q-clip onto the corner post and locate the opposite flat end to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure in place with a nut. Place a spirit level on the corner post and adjust the Q-clip up or down until the corner post is vertically aligned and firmly tighten the Q-clip. Repeat this process to fit the corner stabilizers on the remaining 3 corners of your fruit cage. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.